Thank you so much, sir. Yes, personally, I'm very happy that at least today has come to pass. We are also very grateful to Lagos State government for bringing this ceremony to come to pass today, for empowering some of our people. We are very grateful and we are happy. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so happy, like I'm so happy to be one of the graduates here today.
What will you say to Lagos State government and the other people that are this program?
Okay, I'm saying to Sanwo-Olu and the other governors and everybody, thank you so much for sponsoring, for giving us these skills and everything. I'm saying a very big thank you to them. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Wow, I'm so happy to be here. Though I'm not among the best graduating students, but I happen to have one of my colleagues among them, and I'm so happy for them. I would say a very big thank you to them, but I just have a word of advice. If they can try to empower everybody, I think it will be good, instead of empowering few out of millions. Thank you, sir.
I am very grateful for receiving this certificate. My special Lagos State, yes. My gratitude goes to the Lagos State government, to our governor, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I really appreciate this so much, and to all our principals, Wapa principals in all centers, I appreciate you all. I'm so grateful for this wonderful gift given to me as the best student. Thank you, I really appreciate it. God will continue to bless you. Èkó ò ní bàjẹ́ o.